So many bottles are there because I have made a house, so I have got it more bottles. So you have to keep a line segment like to one side of figure. You have to use it, and you have to make a decoration for this for like a square, like because all the four sides are same. So you have to keep it like this, or you have to keep a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. That we have to use it, and we have to from this corner. So it is better you have to keep it from this corner. You have to keep bottles like this. Then you have to make a. It will remove this. It is not coming properly. So no need it. It is not come. If it is a plain only, it is come. So the place which we have taken should be of a plane, otherwise it doesn't come. So so you have to okay, so we have to keep it like this. So you have to keep it like this, and here keeping this you have to keep like this. You have to keep it this side. So you have to keep it like this. Triangular form you have to make it. Here also you have to 3 bottle you have to take it, so we have to keep it like this, like a triangular form, like a nice rangoli. We have to make it so it must be all self-commutative society. We should have a multi-property. We should have it so this side. So it should become perfectly. You have to do this very correctly, then only it will come nicely, otherwise it doesn't come. So small children will learn this how to make a triangle perimeter. Here we are using the perimeter of the triangle, all same direction we have to use it. So we have to keep it like this, and the other you have to use it same direction. If it is this bottle is turned to this side, then you have to keep it to this side. Like this you have to make it. So nice design, very nice. I wish to have it. So this is square. You have to use it, and the remaining you have to write out. So nice design. It looks like very nice, very pretty. So any design we have to make it. ஸோ ஒன் டிசைன் இப்படி வந்து முக்கோணம் கணக்காக பண்ணணும், இப்படி சதுரம் கணக்காக பண்ணணும், மத்தியில் கொடுக்கணும், சதுரம் பண்ணணுக்கு சைடுமே triangle பண்ணணுக்கு ऐसा डिज़ाइन so theory and symmetry and also opposite symmetry can use it. Symmetry can opposite this side also symmetry, this side also symmetry, opposite side also. So have a symmetry on both sides, and you have to self-accommodate as a multi. Multi-property we should have it. So make a. Secondly, we have to make a circular form also. Just you have to try it. We have to make it in a circular form. So like this, you have to this. You have to take it. So it must be a time passing at the same time. You have to tell the student to teacher, tell the student to make it like this. This year I am having a more bottle, that's only. I have kept this is the second design. When we come to make it a circle, so circular form we have to use it. Here a circle we have to use it. Here we have to keep a bottle like this. So we have to make a sequential form. One after another we have to use it. So one after another we have to keep it. A distance if we are having it should be of same. So like this you have to keep it. this bottle only variety. So all self-commutative associative we are having a multi-property, we should have it. So you have to it nicely, you have to make it nicely, you have to keep it here also, you have to get to see that a circular formation is come very, look like very pretty nice, nicely it appears. Okay, so here you have to keep it properly. Then only the decoration is come. So on seeing this, you have to make nice design temporarily. You have to keep it very nicely. Nice decorations using well, here you have to. Here also we can make it is using this. You have to keep this bottle like this. So you have to keep a triangle. So triangle we have to make it, and we have to make it here also. Here also using this you have to make it same the triangle. So like this you have to make it. So like this you have to make it. You have to middle using this bottles you have to make it. So middle also the nice circular formation is come very nicely. It appears. So here we have to use a circular line segment, and here is a triangle. It is of self-commutative society. We are having a multi-property. So many things you can use it, and we have to extra design. So this is a homework, we have to do that. So many design we have to make it. So it is depend upon our this, you have to keep it like this also. So one we have to remove it. This you have to keep it like this, and here same thing, one we have to remove. So next design we have to make it also. It will look like very nice. Is a triangle perimeter. Here all whenever we are having this picture, we have to make it a we have to this is not, but see that it doesn't look like nice. So in a group everything should be discipline. One is not discipline, mean it will spoil the group. So in this group, whenever we are grouping, in a group also everything must be discipline, neat, and only to look like me. See, and seeing this, you have to make a design when, while whenever in any function, whenever in a temple, whenever in any places. So you have to make you have seen in the cloth only they used to make a design. So like this, all it depend upon our mathematical geometrical shape, and we have to use it. இப்போ வந்து கோயில் கூட மற்ற எல்லா இடத்துலையும் இப்படிதான் துணி வச்சு எல்லாம் டிசைனாக பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. कपड़ा से ऐसा बना था, चले थे जानवर थे जंगल कपड़ा से बना हुआ रहता है. Okay, so nice is a triangle. Here we have to triangle is used. This is a circle. Here also one triangle. So like this you have to make it all design. Four-sided, three-sided, four-sided one I have explained. So remaining at homework, you have to make. I had made a square. This is a rhombus. Rhombus also I have made it, and remaining you have to do that. Okay, so சாய் சோதனை பண்ணிவிட்டு மீதி நீங்கள் பண்ணுங்கள். சாய் சோதனை வந்துச்சுன்னா அப்போ நான் மேட சாய் சோதனை remaining you have to do that. Okay, சாய் சோதனை பண்ணிட்டு நீங்கள் வந்து மீதி everything. If anything is there, so if anything is there, if you make it everything systematically, so everything if you make it systematically, then all it come very nicely. If your bottles or anything is there, if you keep it in a proper order, if you keep it in a, if it is any dirt also, any dusty also, if it is any throwable things also, anything in this world, never to if there any dirt, soil, anything also, but if you keep it in a proper order and all places you have to see that you have to in all places you have to see that places you have to see you have to use it as self-commutative, associative, multi-property. That only you have to use it, and remain you have to keep it separately, then only it looks like nice. Okay, here you have to see that very nice design it is there. So here it is a rhombus. Here you have to make it like a leaf, like you have made it. Whenever you start from this side, you have to see that it will come from this side. So you have to use a symmetric on both sides. Starting symmetric on both sides. So like this you have to make a nice design. Okay, enjoy symmetric on both sides. Here it is really it is like a butterfly, and sometimes it is like a palm, sometimes it is like a tablet. So like this all designs is that you have to use. Jodi manja kuruvi sanjadu ninjattalu tambodadi pattu paadadi tambodadi pattu paadadi nattakaru joraga tatti paru enna paru pola minnungaru jodi manja kuruvi sanjadu ninjattalu ఎదురాటం జల్లికట్టు ఎదురాటం జల్లికట్టు ఆటలు కట్టు తెలంబోటు మిల్లికట్టు పాటు తట్టు కట్టువే భూపాటు తెపోడు జోరా తెపోడు తెపోడు బోడు చక్కపోడు నపారు పాల విన్నుంది ఏ జాడి మంజ కూరవి సాంజాడు నిచ్చడి టంబోడడి పాటు పాడడి చక్కాడు జోరాగ తట్టి పారన్న పోల మిన్నుంది జోడి మంజ కూరువి సాంజాడు నుంచి తలువి ఎదురాటం జల్లికట్టు కట్టు ఆడి కట్టువి నీళ్ళు కట్టుది ఆట బాటి కట్టువి. So here you have to see that you have a same design, you have to use it. So it is like a snake and a circular form, you have to use it. Concentric circle, concentric approach, you have to use it. So you have to use all the big bottle, you have to use it. So whenever you are using this, you can use that. Whenever you are using this, you have to keep a big bottle. It is a concentric approach. It is a drawing of this spiral arrangement. So we have to keep it like a spiral arrangement. Here we are having, you have to make it systematically. So you have to make everything systematically. So you have to make everything systematically. So this systematically we have to make it